How to fix screen sharing is not working in Discord. So if you're on a Mac computer and your screen sharing is not working or it keeps starting and stopping, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now the first thing you'll need to do is close out of the Discord app and click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side. You can then come over to System Settings and then scroll down on this left hand navigation and click on Privacy and Security. You can then scroll down the list of options and you should have an option for Screen and System Audio Recording. Click on this. And if you see Discord in this list of applications, make sure Screen and System Recording is turned on and enabled. Now you can do this by clicking the plus icon, click on Use Password. You can then click on Applications and you can go and add Discord to the list. Now once you've done this, make sure Discord is turned on and enabled. You can then click back on the Apple logo and select Force Quit and make sure Discord is completely shut down. You can then reload the application and try sharing your screen, and that should have now solved the issue. If it's still not working, it's likely a storage issue with your computer. So if you click back on the Apple logo and press System Settings, you can then click on General and select Storage. Now if you're running out of storage space, this will be why screen sharing is not working. So you can try freeing up some space on your computer to solve the issue.